welcome back to my YouTube channel Life with Dimasha. My daddy ordered me this gift on Amazon and today it arrived. So I'll be unboxing it with you guys. Let's start. May box ko yung enakang mang asawa hindi. Let's open it now. My daddy bought me a DJI Osmo Pocket 3 Creator Combo. I can't wait to see what's inside. I don't need this anymore. Mata daddy king labunu expensive na gift ekak me. Thank you daddy once again. Love you. May camera ekata tax ekka Canadian dollars 1040ක් වගේ තමයි වුනේ. ලංකාවේ මුදලින් බැලුවොත් 2,27,000ක් වගේ ගාණක්. Guys, look. Okay guys, this is what is inside the box. Actually, I think this is the protective cover.
Yes, that's the cover.
Guys, this is the protective cover.
And there's the camera.
Wow. Guys, look, it's so cute. Just the size of my hand. So easy to carry. මම දැන් වෙනම පෙන්නන්නම් කැමරා එක ආපු parts ටික. මේ තියෙන්නේ protective cover එක. මේ තියෙන්නේ camera එක. Battery handle thread එක. Mini tripod. මේ තියෙන්නේ wrist strap, type C cable and wide angle lens. DJI mic transmitter, windscreen and clip magnet. This case is so cute. Very easy to keep everything inside. Now I'll take off the sticker. Let's turn it on. Look, so cute. Now Akka's gonna put on the handle.
Okay, so this is the battery handle. Put on like so. Just like this. You take it off, press the button. And then this is just the handle. Same way.
Okay, there you go. Thank you. Okay guys, for my next vlog, I'll be using this. Thanks for watching. If you haven't subscribed, make sure you subscribe, like, and comment. I'll see you in my next video. Bye!